Good day, Ms. Lin. I am going to demonstrate the proper sterilizing of the bottles. It's a wet method. First, do the proper hand washing. Make sure that the area is clean and already sanitized. Make sure. And then, prepare or gather all the materials needed for the sterilizing. First, sterilizing pad. And then brushes for the bottles and for the nipple brush. Next is the basin, liquid soap. So it should be suitable for baby's bottle. And also Tom and baby's bottle. First, I will dismantle all the parts of the baby's bottle because this is dirty. And then I'm going to dismantle everything in the baby's bottle, including the nipple. So I will put everything in the basin with soapy water. So, I will prepare another basin, use it as a container for finished wash bottles and some parts. So, I will put, this is the basin, and then I already dismantle all the bottles, and I will start washing. So, make sure that I clean and wash properly the bottles and each part. So, first, I will brush the bottle first. So make sure if you are brushing the bottles just like this, put the brush inside the bottles properly. And then also the body. And then you can use the nickel bottles para matarong din siya ni mo og limpyo kanay mga gatas na pusik din hinakita. And then next, I'm going to brush the ring. So, tarungan dyan siya, limpyo. Kanaan din ang mga gatas na mopilit. And then next is the nipple. So, I brush dyan siya pag-ayo. And then, make sure that you will invert the nipple. And also, the tongue, you're going to clean also the tongue. So, I'm done brushing. So, I will do the washing. First, I will start rinsing one by one. So, make sure all are properly rinsed. So, dapat, ang bottles, i-rinse dyan mo siya pag-ayo, kanang walay magbula-bula. Hindi mo siya tanawang pag-ayo. Hindi siya sabulon, hindi siya sliding, wala na siya bubbles. Talungon siya pag-limpyo. After that, you will put in the basin. And also the comb. So, assuming na naklinan ako sila tanan, I'll put in the basin. So, I'm going to get the sterilizer pad. This one is the sterilizer pad. And then I need to arrange the bottles properly. So, ako sa siyang i-arrange. So, bisa na ko siya tangan o tubig. And then, na-arrange na siya. So, arrange the bottles and some parts, except the nipples. So, except the nipples, bisa siya mo siya i-appeal diri. So, kinila sa kini mga tabon, ring. So, ready na, na-arrange na tanan. So, I will put water in the bottle. So, dapat almost full. So, one by one, I will put almost full water in the bottle. In the sterilizer. And then put the sterilizer into the stove for about 15 to 25 minutes. But take note, start counting the time when the water starts boiling. So, assuming that after 25 minutes, assuming it's already 25 minutes, so it's the time you put the nipple and tongue, then add another 5 minutes. So, iput na nato siya sa sterilizer pot. This is the nipple. You add 5 minutes. And also include the tongue. So, assuming na already 5 minutes, so remove everything from the sterilizer pot and put in a clean container or a basin. So, I will remove the, so matuloy na ako ang kainit. So, I'll put the sterilizer pot here and then I will remove it one by one. I will put it in the basin. So we'll use the tongue and then remove the excess water in the bottle and put in the clean basin. And then position it downward to remove excess water and put it, this is clean cotton, is already sanitized. So I'll put the bottle here so that it is moist free. So let it dry. So this is already sterilized. And then dispose the water from the sterilizer and then return the proper place. So we'll remove the excess water in the sterilizing pot and then return it to the designated place. So since all the bottles and other parts are dry and moist free already, so I will start assembling it all the sterilized materials. So this is the tongue. So it's already sanitized, so you can touch this ring but never touch the nipples. Then you can also touch this. Insert. So, pwede na natin siya matouch. And then after that, to cover the bottles, twist the body part of the bottle. So, this is the bottle. And then you can touch this. And then, you twist the bottle. So, kanang, para ma-close siya. So, ang bottle ay mag-hold. Place the bottle. So, I am done. So, I will do the aftercare. Okay, so let's proceed in mixing the formula. So first, make sure that your hands are clean and the area are clean. And also, everything needed are prepared and accessible, just like milk and the bottle. So, check also the expiry date of the baby's milk. So, dapat siya, dili siya ka ng, expired ang milk. And then, when mixing the formula, follow the directions shows in the can. For example, 1:1. So, 1 scoop of milk and 1 ounce of water. So, if dili siya properly followed, it can cause diarrhea or constipation of the baby. And then, so, put first the water in the bottle. So, assuming na ako'y water dili. So, I preferred warm water to properly dissolve the milk because if it's too cold, the tendency the milk will not properly mix. So, and then there are 2 ways or option of mixing the milk. The first way, by mixing it in the measuring glass. So, this is measuring glass. So, mix it the milk and water and stir it properly. Then after mixing it, you put it in the baby's bottle. So, assuming na nagkuha na ko 1 scoop of milk and 1 ounce of water. Like this. And then the second option, you put water in the baby's bottle and then the milk. So, according sa iyang sukod or gidaghanon din, shake it in the proper way. So, magkuha na ko gatas, 1 scoop of milk. Ang una is the water and then the milk. So, assuming sa ako na siyang pasulod. Ako na siyang nakakuanan. And then, shake it in the proper way. So, it's like this or like this. And then, dapat ay gitawag na figure of 8. So, like this. So, then, it's ready for feeding. So, for feeding the baby, check the temperature of the milk. So, i-check sa nato ang temperature sa milk. Asa man sa diri sa wrist, 1 drop of milk sa imuhang wrist. If matolerate ba nimo ang kainit. So, that it means, if matolerate na nimo ang kainit, it means okay na siya i-feed sa baby. So, while opening the bottle, make sure that the cover is like ihayang nimo pagbutang to avoid contamination. So, like this. So, it's feeding time. So, you will pick the baby. Like this. So, before nimo siya i-feed, use the rooting reflex. I-stimulate nimo ang nipple sa bottle sa left side kay si baby na siya reflex na mo help to find the food. So, like this. Rooting reflex. The left side. And then, in sucking time, so, na-find na ni baby ang nipple. So, ayaw ihansak ang nipple sa mouth. Dayon. So, make it gently and slowly. Okay? So, when feeding time, do not let the baby drink the full bottle. Just let the baby drink halfway of the bottle. So, halfway na siya sa bottle. And then, put down the bottle and then let the baby burp. Like this. Para makaginhawa, turn the young head. And then, just gently tap. And then again, natapos na siya burp. Then, the remaining milk, ipatiwas og feed ni baby. So, maghihapon, rooting reflex. Gently and slowly. So, after that, burp na ang gatas. So, ipa-burp na to balik si baby. So, like this. So, naka-burp na si baby. So it's done feeding.